All right, whenever you're ready.
All right, well, we got our solar panels in the back, our fuel cells, which act as a reserve battery, which you can hook up, disconnect, depending on whether or not you need them. Our wind turbine also is like that, where you can disconnect it or connect it in, depending on whether or not it's running. So, like, during the day, you get enough power from the fuel cells that you don't need those, so you can just disconnect the wind, or you could connect it over to the battery so they could charge the batteries during the wind while these are driving the lights. They all come in parallel and connect in and then go down to the lights. And then they power these lights first, and then they go over to these lights to power those, and then run back. Okay.
So where's your residential and your industrial?
Residential, industrial.
Okay. All right, any problems?
Getting these to power them by itself, but since that wasn't a constraint, it wasn't a requirement to test, was no point in wasting all of our time on that. Following some of the constraints was kind of hard, but they got changed, so that made it a little bit easier. If I had more time, I would redo the wiring because it's really sloppy, and I didn't have enough time to make it look cool. So.
All right, you ready for phase one?
Yeah, we're gonna have to probably go on the ground and
Have to go on the ground.
we don't have enough room here.
Take it to the float.
Go ahead and fire the rockets.
All right,
Yeah.
let's go.
All right, Colin.
Start the timer.